Today's meat is so mashed. Ha ha ha! Okay, you're a piece of shit and eat alone. I'm going to plan well today. Hide all the meat inside. Don't let mom and dad kid find out. He even hid all 6 pig trotters in his bowl. Fortunately, I found it. Put the eggs in the shaozi bowl to confuse him. Take the bones and hide them. So my plan is perfect. Ha 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 ha! Shit, this selfish disease. I must be treated as a mother. Ha 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 ha! It's time to eat. Here it comes. Come here, come here. Hey, Mom, what are you doing? Eat. Sit down. Don't take my seat. Where are your chopsticks back? Who knows how it got wet? Hey! Mom! Why are you so selfish? Give all the eggs to Shaozi. Eat this bowl. I don't want. Yeah, you give it all to you. I'll just eat this. You can have yours. Then you can eat the egg bowl. I don't want. You can have it. No. If you say no, don't. That so selfish. Forget it, Joseph. You can forget it. I'll let you go today. Let you eat this delicious egg. Ha ha ha. And eat a sweet potato. Get one for Mom. Mom, eat eggs. You eat. Mom, eat a sweet potato. Successfully confuse them both. She eat all. You are so careful. Mom just saw it all. Ha ha ha, Shaozi, eat slowly. Today's meat and eggs are yours, ha ha ha. Why don't you eat noodles? Yeah, I'll eat later. I'm not quite hungry now. I'll eat first. Wait a minute. It's a mess. It's okay. It's okay. Someone hurry up and eat and drink. I can't wait to eat my meat. This sweet potato is so fragrant. It's delicious. I'm so happy. Mom gives again. Meat. Before my brother finds out, I have to eat it quickly. It's delicious. Josie is really a dad. This is my mom, which is remarkable to you. Ha ha ha. You and eat some noodles. Do you have noodles to eat? Not you still eat so much. Don't hit me with sweet potatoes. Such delicious sweet potatoes are all mine. Why don't you eat it yet? Because I want to save my stomach for delicious after food. Eating. Why don't you go watch TV? Today I watched. You wash it, okay? Then come. Sweet potato meat. This. Mom, have some. Mom. What good stuff? A bowl of noodles. Just a bowl of noodles. Wait a minute. Not really I'm hungry. I gave you all the delicious eggs. Don't mess up for a while. Eat it. You go ahead. Ha 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 ha. I still want to eat. What's the matter, my mom? Ha ha ha. Ash, ha! Do you eat eggs? I don't eat it. Don't eat eggs. You children. Are there many question marks? Hey, brother! Well, do you eat duck feet? Duck paw, I eat. Thank you, ha ha ha. Hey, Shaozi, 1 dish in total. You go get them a mustard or something. You go to the whole one again. Okay, then I'll go and fry another dish. Just to take you away. Hey. What are you doing? Grab brother will give you something good. I'll try go. Brother, is this killing me? Today I'll let you eat the consequences. 小健, come and drink Coke. Coke! Brother, I want to eat an egg first and then drink Coke. Well, you drink first. I want to eat eggs first. Come. Eat one. Thank you, brother. Okay. It's delicious. I want to have another one. Thank you, bro. You should be drinking Coke now. What, brother? Can you give me one duck egg? I'll drink this after eating. Thank you, bro. It smells good. Dear. Drink it after eating. This one's a little short. Thank you, brother. You are so kind. I would risk everything for this good show. Hey! What? I thought it was a red envelope. I read it wrong. Is there a problem with that? Don't donate it. Come on, you drink okay. Two. I drink two. I drink well, two. I drink cheers. Two. Cheers. Cheers. I dare not open my eyes. Dispute begins. Black hand. Where are my drumsticks? What's the situation? Where are my eggs? Yeah, what's going on? Brother said last night that he wanted to eat I got him two of his favorite meats. Take away. This, brother, he said take it away. Can't you hear me? Okay. You take it. Every day is delicious and lazy, and I still want to see how Vinaya handles you today. Oh, brother, you washed your feet and ate. Come. Mom, why are you sitting in the master's seat again? Annoying much. Where did you put my cup? Well, I can't find the cup after searching for a long time. I'll put it in the kitchen after pouring the water. I found my bathroom. You put it in the kitchen. Hey. Isn't it pork? What about meat? That wet market is out of meat. It's not good to cook a meal. What can we do? No meat. I still want to eat vegetables. Come on, let me see if there's anything wrong with eggs. What's wrong with eggs? I'm really convinced by this old six. Why is there so much protein in this meal? No egg yolk. Then you eat. Mom, are you still eating? Eat it. Don't eat it. If you don't eat it, then I'll eat it. Don't waste it. Then you eat. It's a pity to waste. Right on. No, give it to me. Here you are. Mom, don't you eat either. If you don't eat it, give it to me. You save food. Mom, let me make you that cereal. Okay. Oh, my God. All the delicious food today is mine. Hey, open your mouth. Can you cook? 3 dishes, a boiled egg and a fried egg. You have another chef scrambled egg. You can't get along with the egg. I'm too difficult. delicious. Well, I'm full. I'm full, brother. If you are full, wait for me to get it. I can't eat anymore. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Let's eat this. Then we eat. Okay. Eat braised pork. Then you eat two big duck leg soups, my mom. Hey, why did you wait until I was full before serving it up? Do you still want to eat? Sleep every day. You still want to eat this meat? Go ahead. Surprise 小子! Oh my god! Hey, this guy is too cool. Put so much mustard. Since you are unkind, don't blame me for being unjust. Did you eat? Hey, eat! Today, eat GMO, brother. Hey, that one has egg tarts. I'll split the egg tart between us. Okay, you and me. Come eat egg tarts, eat egg tarts. Thank you, brother. Here, you go first. Eat it later. Dessert. Hey, let's eat now. Dessert. I'll eat the buns first. You eat too. Go. Where are my chopsticks? I don't know. I have always kept this pair of chopsticks here. I clearly put it here. Go and get me my chopsticks. Just one pair here. Oh, me. I'm hungry. I'll eat first. Chopsticks are over there. How to give it to you? Take it back. But you made me do this. Since you want to play, I'll have someone a good time playing with you. You can eat egg tarts with this. Egg tarts are not delicious when mixed with this. Annoying hum. You can eat this egg tart today, brother. Ouch, my mom. I have to remind Josie to let him eat egg tarts. This egg tart. I eat. This sandwich is a bit dry. What? I'll eat it later. Or you cola. This Coke is mine. You want to drink, don't even take chopsticks and want to drink my Coke. Then why don't you help me soak that cereal? Why are you so busy? I'm done soaking, I'm done drinking. I'll drink cereal. This and eat this. Okay, I'll soak it for you. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Don't give me a Coke. I didn't want to drink it either. Thank you, brother. It's alright. We still eat together. I'll be back later. Don't eat egg tarts. Also okay. Yeah, you do. I eat too. So here we go. Yum my taste. Ha. Ouch, my mom. What is this? Hey, little fool. Give me a piece of paper. Okay. Good. This is the master. A little runny nose. What's the matter? Didn't I take the chopsticks? Then you probably didn't take them. Forgot to take my estimate. Didn't you take it? I didn't take it. Go get it. Okay. Let me see what She-Eater wants to do today. The guy put mustard in my tart. You see, I let you eat the consequences. Have you got it? What? Here it is. Chopsticks may have forgotten to take them before. It should be. Eat the egg tart first. Come, let's come one by one. Okay, thank you, bro. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'll
Eat
put
later.
It here first.
You
eat now. It will be cold later, and it will
The
not
buns
taste
are not
good.
delicious when
Eat
they
the
are
buns
cold.
first.
Eat the buns first, then eat egg tarts.
The egg tart is cold.
You eat too.
I eat. Ha ha ha.
Why hasn't he eaten my secret egg tart?
Yeah, I'm almost
You
finished.
eat egg tarts.
And
Two for each of us.
you eat it together.
You eat a bun and an egg
Eat a
tart.
bun.
Eat an egg
So the
tart.
taste is stinky.
Not so good.
You have a lot to do.
Eat buns. Eat
Ha
buns.
ha ha.
This
This is also
Eat egg
finished.
tarts.
Okay.
Okay,
You should eat it
I
too.
eat.
So here we go.
Ha 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 ha.
It tastes good.
Haha, my egg tart is serious.
Does it taste good?
Ouch, my
Ha
mom.
ha ha.
Kill.
Okay.
It's okay,
And
mom.
there's fish.
Ha 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 ha.
Hello.
Takeout has arrived.
Leave it at the
Okay,
door.
okay,
I'll
get it.
Okay, thank you.
Takeout
You
arrived.
go get it.
Yeah, mom.
Okay, thanks. You'll know if you take it back. Mom, is this grilled chicken? The chicken legs are all exposed.
You
You
eat
eat
well.
well. Hey, wait a minute. I'll have
Hey,
some
Ika.
roast chicken. Why did you eat all 3 dishes in one bowl of rice? And eat roast chicken.
I won't eat this.
I'll just have
I'll
roast
just
chicken.
eat
whatever I want with roast
Here you
chicken.
go.
Oh yo, this big chicken thigh is exposed outside.
Fragrant.
Hey, what's the situation? Open such a delicious roast chicken now. We want to eat too.
Oh,
Then I'll eat it later. I'll wait for you to
You can
finish
eat eating.
first. Ha ha ha. You
Okay.
eat. Yo, enough is enough.
Big
Enough
one.
is enough.
Eat it.
You can eat when we're full. Okay, I have roast chicken. I'm not in a
I
hurry.
eat
roast chicken, aha. Really cheap, this kid. Such a big fish for him to eat. Ouch, my mom. This little wisdom didn't ask me if I would eat it or not. No asset at all. Annoying hum.
mom.
Fish want fish.
I haven't finished eating
Okay.
yet.
Do you eat? This silly son is so gullible. Josie took advantage of your brother not
You can
finding
eat
out.
quickly.
Who cares about you? I have roast chicken. Eating. This kid deserves a beating. Do you want to eat vegetables? Enough is enough. Enough is enough to eat. You eat. I'll make some cereal first. Do you still want the cereal?
Are you full?
Full. It's time for my roast chicken. Oops, roast chicken. Oops. Such a big one. Why is there no meat? Chicken says. What's going on? Chinese cabbage. What about the roast chicken? What about inside the roast chicken shop? Grab a meal and want to eat roast chicken. Cabbage. You go. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Eat my watermelon in one bite. What's going on here? How did this Ash hide the omelette and keep it for himself? I really hurt him in vain. It seems that there is no omelette left for the two of us. Dinner is coming. Hey, my son hasn't come yet. I went to ask my son to wash his feet and eat. Josie is so sensible. I can't let him be wronged. Wash your feet and eat. It comes. Why are you sitting in my seat again? Is that where you sit? Aha! You stand. See, ha ha ha. Okay. How dare you move chopsticks in front of me? Is it for you to eat? Go grab it. Gielmo doesn't want to eat it. If you don't want to eat, bring it here. Ha 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 ha! Hey, what? Takeout is here. Okay? Okay? I'll take it to Baiwu. There is takeout. There is takeout. Then you go get it. Okay? Mom, is this roast duck? Yeah, but a big roast duck. Oh, it's so big. The duck's head is showing. Whoa. Can we eat this? Mom ordered the roast duck for me, right? Yes. Bring it over. You take this counterfeit away. I have my roast duck. I am my mother's own son. Mom loves me the most. It's better to have buns than to be hungry. Although I don't have roast duck, but already satisfied. You have filial piety, don't you? Hey! Well, this is a big roast duck, son. Fragrant. You can eat when he's full. Yeah, that's fine. I'll wait a minute. It smells so good. This duck head. Here, give you a bite. Hey, do you really want to eat it? Shameless to tease you. Ha ha ha, then I'll give you a taste. Okay. Eat chili. Or Shaozi has filial piety. Think of me for anything. Such a delicious sandwich is really cheap, Shaozi. Ha ha ha. Look how delicious he eats. I'm all greedy. It smells so good. Oops. Ash, hey, Mom, don't say this corn sandwich tastes really good. Tastes fluffy. Corn flavor is very satiety. Where did you get it? Expensive. Inexpensive, Mom. This corn clip is all below me. The small yellow bag is for you. Family members recommend delicious this corn sandwich. It is shipped to you by the cold chain. What about after everyone receives the refrigerator? Take it out and steam it for him for 6 to 7 to 8 minutes to steam him soft. Steam you can eat lunch meat in normal time. Pork with plum vegetables. Then the fried meat with pepper, minced meat, omelette, lettuce, whatever. Clip whatever you like. Then, like children who don't like to eat wet rice, you can also give him a tray of this corn sandwich. It's just a little hamburger. There are still activities to place and order now. And got it. So many big bags. I also sent the package to everyone who like it can go and place a few more orders. Buy more. Okay. Oops, oops, I'm hungry. Ash is finally finished. Full. Mom, are you full too? Full. Ha, full, Dad. But it's so mad. Oops. Why is it still wrapped in
I'm afraid
foil? Of the cold. It doesn't feel right. What about Chinese cabbage neck? Ouch, my mom, ha. Why do you still want to eat? I also want to eat roast duck. Don't even think about eating the dog. I also want to eat roast duck. Let's go watch TV. What about this bowl? You wash it. Say what it means. Mr. Lee, what are you doing? A little hungry. Put it on this plate. Let's eat together. Are you? No, can't you reach it or what? Oh, not enough. Not enough to eat, not enough
Don't
to eat. What's in your
noisy.
stomach every day? Do you eat like this? What do I eat with Shaozi? You ate it all. I'll go cook another dish. Mom, I'm going to make another one. Why don't you wait a moment? Make another
It's really
one. On fire looking at me. Don't disturb him. It. Are you embarrassed to say
You
brother? Look at how sensible Shaozi is. Do you have a role model like you when you are a brother? It really pissed me off. I won't eat it next time. I'll know next time. Next time I do this, I'll let you go out of it. Today. Make my mom a secret fat beef rest. We'll start right away. Let's get some of this garlic paste first. Is this beef rest with honey sauce? Very important. Let's make this garlic paste first. Put it in a bowl. Put a small amount of salt in a bowl. Reduce the spiciness of this garlic. A spoonful of this flour carving wine. About 3 spoonfuls of this light soy sauce. And a small half spoonful of this dark soy sauce. And that half a spoonful about 5 grams of wet sugar. A little more wet pepper. Pour in 5 or 6 spoonfuls of finally water. Some sesame seeds. What's this sauce? Even if the modulation is complete, give it a stir. This fat cow, everyone's usual time. Scald them with boiling water. Give it a pass. Today, we will use this fat cow. Stir fry it. Pour a small amount of oil into the pan. What's the world temperature? When it's 5 or 6 minutes, put this fat beef roll in it. Stir fry it. This fat cow is fried until it changes color. Let's add a little cooking wine to this pot. Remove some of the smell of this fat cow. Fried beef. Let's clear a plate first. For a while. Add a little oil to the pan. If there is butter in the house, you can also pour in the onion cut in front. Salt it. What about when the onions are fried? Some more honey. Drink him on it to sweet smells. At this time, fuse together. This onion, when it starts to juice, let's put this fat beef roll on it. And then you drizzle this sauce over it. And then, we go all out to harvest the juice. This juice, don't give him all the contraction. And then about the same time, add some black pepper and sprinkle it on him. Stir well. Then it'll be almost there in a while. And then, we can plate it. In the middle, you can also add a heart egg to it. After loading the plate, we sprinkle a little scallion. Brothers, sisters, I made this secret fat beef rest for him. If you like to eat this secret fat beef rest, you can like it, favorite it. You can try it next time. I'll bring it to my mom. Annoying. Come on. Sister-in-law is seated. This secret fat beef rest. Oops. Hard work. Is it hard? Hey, hey, hey. Is it over? Ashen, I haven't eaten yet. I can't get enough after eating so much. Together. Eat together. Chopsticks are good to hold chopsticks. Come. Okay, thanks, Mom. You eat too. It's delicious. And that rest down there. The rest is underneath. We eat together in the middle. Come on. Quid. Delicious. Mix this rest. Come on. Shaozi. Come on. Mom, you eat too. It smells good. Here. Look at Shaozi. Learn to eat every day. Can't do it. Ha ha ha. Make it yourself and eat it yourself. They all said they made it and they did it by themselves. Don't you understand? It's a lump. What are you doing? Make it yourself and eat it yourself. You eat yourself. Jojo and I eat here. Isn't it just an omelette? Who cares? I'll fry one myself. Who will eat it? I covered him up. You can't eat my food. We'll eat ours, just in case. I have to glue him up to be safe. Don't touch me. You know what? Don't laugh at that. Ha ha ha. My son has it 100 eggs a day. Just don't have a brain. Will not be a crime. Since my son is so selfish, then don't blame your mother. Ha ha ha, good. Leave the fat one to him. I need a bowl of water to be even. You eat this piece. You eat it. Take advantage of a lump of shit. I have to let Shaozi eat more. Although my mother is not my biological brother, treats me badly but too. I am still very happy in this family because my mother treats me better than her own. Ha ha ha, isn't it just an omelette? Who doesn't? Don't laugh. Eat my braised pork. Well, Shaozi and I want to eat too. Don't say it. The braised pork you made today, it looks so tempting. So fragrant, ha ha ha. Open it now so we don't drool. We eat yours. Do you give it to it? Definitely not. Then you can eat it later. Let's eat first, my mom. Fragrance. It's delicious. Why hasn't he finished eating yet? Hey, Ashley! Don't say it. This corn sandwich is really good. Here you go. Loose and soft. Corn flavor is strong. Incredibly filling. Where did you buy it? It's not expensive. I bought these corn buns in the small yellow bag below. I recommend a delicious corn sandwich to everyone. Put it in the refrigerator. Just refrigerate it. While eating, take it out and steam it for him for 7 to 8 minutes. Perfect for dinner. Okay, clip some of your favorite meat with pepper, lunch meat, plum vegetable pork. Anything can be clipped in. We will clip whatever we like. Besides, like children who don't like to eat can also give him a try. This one. It's just a little burger that looks like Chinese. It is also healthy and delicious. Activities to place an order now. 27 so many got bags. I also sent the package to everyone's home. You must go and place now it's finally my turn. Ha ha ha, it's finished. It's time for me to eat. Then let's go watch TV first. Ha 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 ha! What's the matter, my mom? Ha 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 ha! Who will bring me meat? Eat and keep fat.